In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Wayfair app for promoting or selling products, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently utilize the app to achieve your goals. First things first, you'll need the Wayfair app installed on your phone. This is your essential gateway to all the fantastic features Wayfair offers. Simply head over to your app store, search for Wayfair, and download the app. It's quick and free, ensuring you have the world of Wayfair right at your fingertips. Once you've got the app up and running, the next step is to sign up for an account that suits your needs. Depending on your aims, you might want to join the affiliate program or perhaps open a seller account. Either option can be done directly through the app. For the affiliate program, it's the perfect way to earn commissions by promoting products, while the seller account allows you to list and sell your own unique items on the platform. It's a straightforward process, but remember to have your essential business information handy to speed things along. Now, on to promoting those fabulous Wayfair products. With the affiliate program, you'll receive unique affiliate links that help you earn commissions on any sales generated through your promotion. These links can be shared across your platforms, whether it's your blog, social media, or website. For sellers, it's all about showcasing your products in the best possible light to attract those eager buyers. One of the great benefits of using the Wayfair app is the suite of tools available to help you track your progress. Within the app, you'll find useful analytics that allow you to monitor orders, commissions, and overall earnings. This feature is crucial as it helps you understand how well your promotions or product listings are performing. Keep a keen eye on these metrics as they'll provide valuable insights into what's working and what might need tweaking. Speaking of tweaking, optimizing your listings or marketing strategies based on performance data is a smart move to ensure ongoing success. Perhaps your affiliate links are thriving on certain platforms more than others, or maybe a particular product listing needs a description update to better attract buyers. Use the performance data gathered from your analytics to make informed decisions that enhance your visibility and profitability. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the essential steps to effectively use the Wayfair app for either promoting products through affiliate links or listing your own products for sale. By taking advantage of the app's features to track and optimize your efforts, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy selling or promoting on Wayfair.